Pretty good knock. I don't know or whatever that is. If you guys know what that noise is, it's warmed up here. It's on the right side. Look at it rusting now. Pretty bad. Transfer case is leaking again. I see it. Right there. And one of my idiot friends told me to replace it, and then when I did that, then the transfer case leaked. That's the reason why I bought a new truck, because this thing's worthless. Look at the rust on the calipers, brake lines. Sure sounds good though, but she's pretty rusty. I'm sure behind the plastic it's bad. It's got this weird noise to it. I don't know what the world it is, but sounds like a 5.4 Triton. Sounds like a diesel. I don't see anything leaking down there. Oh. Pretty rusty. Brake lines right there. Where are you at here? Right there. Look pretty posted. That's why I bought a new car, because it's seen better days. She's pretty old. 2002? I guess that's not old. She probably weren't. She sat outside all its life though. It runs good. It's not shaking. Check engine lights on because of the gas spent, but see, the oil pressure is pretty good. It's on right on 40, so you know that's pretty acceptable. I mean, it could be a little better, but it doesn't have synthetic oil in it. It's 42 today, but when I'm done I have to open up the gas thing here. I don't care if it's running because the chicken's running. Yeah, I see a bunch of air come out of there again, so leave the pressure of the tank and the fuel pump. I'll put it away here, so I'll shut this off. Hear that clunk? She's got a lot of clunk. I'll put it in drive again and got a lot of play for only 214,000 miles. Pre-war. Still got power though. good though, but still have some issues. One driver in the garage, maybe we can hear it when it's enclosed here. It's got power though, it runs good. I don't think it misses as far as I could tell. Woo! I'll hit my mirror. It's big. I don't want to gas me out. We'll do this quick here. Yeah, it's good now. Sounds like a exhaust leak too. What's the oil pressure at? About 40. That's pretty good. So you gotta release the fuel here again. Bunch of air in there again. Vent is plugged. That's why I don't take it on long trips, because it'd wreck your fuel pump and wreck your plastic tank. You know, it'd suck the tank in. Well, yeah, she's rusty. Look at that. Can't see too good, but it wasn't that way when I got it. But she's rusting underneath the plastic too. I can see it. Frame's pretty rusty. Brake lines are pretty bad. Part of the reason why I don't drive it, because it's I don't know if it's really safe to drive, but maybe it is. It needs a lot of work, and I don't have money, so it's the reason why I don't drive it too. The radio don't work. I want a radio, but that don't work. Heated seats work. That's a good thing. Power mirrors, auto headlights, fog lights. 4x4, got that working. Transfer case is leaking again, so it is what it is. So, all right, well, GMC Denali username, whatever your name is. You're the one that wanted to know what it sounded like, so I thought I'd do this video today. It is March 24th, 2017, and it's like 42 degrees out. It is fairly nice. So anyway, let me know what you think. I don't know, rod, bearing noise, lifters, piston slap, exhaust, I don't know. It could be numerous things. I listened to most of these Chevy 5.3s on YouTube, and I don't know, they all sound the same. Like, I have no idea. I don't think it's a rod. I think it's lifters and exhaust leak, but well, let me know.